Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start at the very beginning. And Saud said he wants an ocean as a theme for the collage. So we're in Google Slides, and I'm going to choose, okay, search, okay, but I want to insert image, okay, and I'm going to search the web. And he said ocean, so I'm going to pick one that has a horizon. Maybe I like this one better. It looks like it's better quality. So I'm going to click insert. Okay, and then here we get our image. I'm going to resize it to match the slide. By using the handles. All right, now when I right click on it, I'm going to send it backward because right now it's on top of those text boxes. So it's sitting on top of them and I can't see them. So I'm going to say send backward. All right, here's one text box, but I know that there's two. So I'm going to right click again. I'm going to choose order and I'm going to choose send backward again. So now I have both text boxes on top. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to type the word ocean because that's my theme. All right, now oceans have waves and lots of curves and repetitive lines. Okay, so when I choose my font, I'm going to choose a font that has that kind of like representation. Okay, so I'm going to choose format text. Well, let me do this instead. Instead of Arial, I'm going to pick one that I think has curves and things like that. So Comic Sans would be a good one, right? Pacifico would be a good one. So I'm looking for curves and not sharp edges, right? So let's go with, I'm just going to pick Pacifico. Okay. I could pick Arial. I could pick Corsiva. What was the other one up here that I was talking about? All right, let's go with Pacifico. All right, so there we go. There's ocean. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. All right, the other thing I'm going to do is because my ocean is shades of blue and clouds of white, I'm going to change my text color. Okay, so doesn't that look better than the black, right? Okay, so now this is a collage, so I need more images. All right, so I'm going to choose insert or slide. Sorry, I'm going to choose insert, go to image, search the web. Here's my ocean theme again. Okay, I'm going to look for different things there. Okay, that are consistent with the one that I picked. All right, so here's one, pretty consistent. And I'm going to resize it. I'm going to line up, okay, the horizon ocean with the horizon on this one because that would be consistent with my use of lines. So I'm going to kind of line those up. All right, good. Let me insert another one. Insert. Now, not all of them have to be lined up. Okay, that's just what I chose to do with that one. So search the web. Ooh, I like this one with the wave. I'm going to insert that one. Okay, and this one with the wave, because it's a little bit different, I'm going to put it in the top right corner. So it's like next to the word ocean. Okay. I'm going to pretend for a second that I did like 3 more of these, okay? And it's time now to save my slides, okay? So I changed the text. I gave it some images, okay? I thought of the lines. I thought of the colors that I'm using and the representations, the blues and the whites. I thought about the font that I wanted to use and the colors of the words. So all those things are thought up and you can see a lot of consistencies throughout. Okay, so now, I also thought about the composition of why I would put this image here and why I would put that image there. Okay, so I'm thinking about the composition or the arrangement of my images on the screen. When I'm done, and again, I'm going to pretend that I did like 2 or 3 more of these, where now it's a collage. I'm going to go File, okay, and I'm going to click Print, but instead of actually sending it to a printer, I'm going to Save it as a PDF and click Save. when I'm done, wherever I saved that, I'm going to turn that into Mr. Schneider. Okay, and then Mr. Schneider would have a PDF of my project. So, Saud, what questions do you have?
None.
Okay, so let me stop the recording